So hello friends and welcome back to another video. This is Abhicoder from Abhicoder Creative Minds. So today this video is going to be very enthusiastic because today in this video we are going to create this amazing and very minimalistic looking Google Nav Bar. Actually it's a package which is named Google Nav Bar, but it looks like a Google based product. So we will see this how we can implement this in our Flutter project, any Flutter project. Okay, so this is the Google Nav Bar, in which if I show you, I will show you later after the intro that how does it look like. Sorry for using the web browser today because today my emulator is malfunctioned and it's not working properly.
Achha.
So I am compelled to use this browser only to show you the preview of our app. So let's get started after the intro and see how we can create the app step by step, and we will go as you are a beginner. I will take you as you are a beginner to.
ठीक है.
So let's get started.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
Okay friends, so we are back. So now here you can see I have made something basic for you in main.dart. As you can see, I have removed all the indexes, imported the material.dart file. I will just see you the basics what I have done here. Then this is the void main, which is the main function of an app. This is the run app function, which is running this stateful widget, which is my app. This is the stateful widget which we have created. Okay, and in this we are having the material app, which is from this material.dart package. And then we have debug show banner, which shows the banner like this debug, which is false, it will not show that. Then home will be a scaffold which will contain app bars, and app bar will have this function named text classico and etc. Nothing much we have done till now. Now what we are going to do, we are going to actually run it. To run, you can go to terminal and type flutter run. Okay, so as you can see my emulator is not working. So as I said you in the starting of the video, the options are also not showing for the emulator.
Achha.
So I will fix it later, but for this video we are going to use Chrome. So I will give 2 and it will start debugging in the HTML code. Okay, however it's a Flutter code, it will debug it in that way. So let's wait for it. Fine. So here our app is finally in the emulator. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'll make it like this, then I will show this. Okay, now it's available. Yep, you can see there's a classico with emoji and it shows it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. For now we will just remove this emoji. Okay, I just made it for experimental purpose. And now I have click on save, and to reload this we can come to terminal, make a click here, then this goes, then we will press R and it will make hot reload. You can see that's gone. Now what we are going to go, we are going to start with the main function. Below app bar we are going to type a body, not body, you can directly give it bottom navigation bar. Now for bottom navigation bar you can use its own bottom navigation bar, but now we are going to use gnav. For that you can go to pub.dev and search for this Google Nav. Okay, this one you can just search for it and you will be able to see this. You can see how beautiful it has, how beautiful themes it has. You can create it. My personal favorite is the 4th one, this one. Okay, but due to the shortage of time I am not able to cover all of these. So for now I am going to just cover this one only, this black one, which is also looks very good. Okay, so we will add our custom icons and everything. We are going to customize it. So let's see how we can do it. Go to the installations tab. Now here you can copy this. Okay, you may copy, or you can just run this command in the terminal. Now go to Visual Studio Code here in pubspec.yaml, this file. Come here, and if you see this cappuccino icons mainly here, you are going to paste it and press Ctrl S. Now this will refresh the directory. Now the problem here is if we have now you can see if we have run this we will have to terminate it actually, because as new package has been added, this new package will not be reflected into the Chrome, okay, emulator, which is acting as an emulator. So to first of all we will have to do it again, so we will press Q here. So it has been exited. Now we can type here, wait a second, okay, so now we can tap here gnav, gnav, okay, now gnav, okay, import, yeah, that's done. So it has been imported. Now this will also soon go. It is asking something, it needs tab argument, so now we'll give tabs. Now inside it you can give many of them, so you will have to add const constructor. Now you can give here many things, like first you will give a button here, so we'll put G button, okay, icon. So first icon, let's give icons.home. This home field, okay, this looks pretty good, okay, home field, okay. Now comma here, a control S. Now it's going to format the code, yes, that's it. It's asking something for here, okay, no need, don't add it now. Okay, you will have to copy this again and again. Let's say we will copy it for more 3 times, okay, control C, then 1 2 3. Okay, now this is going to be filled, home field. Now this is going to be like favorite border, outline is also there, you can take border, okay. Now this can be like search, search off, search, there are many types of search rounded would be much more good, so I'll go with search rounded. Now you can take settings, okay, we are having only one icon, pretty good, okay, control S. Now we can restart the emulator again, okay, so we'll type flutter run. Now it will run it again, same process. We'll start debugging on Chrome. Now let's wait for it. Finally again it's running. Now you can see the nav bar is being created. Now let's see, the nav bar should be created. Nav bar should be created, but let's see what happens. Okay, yes, you can see how stylish this only looks. Just see this buttons only, nothing, it's a total simple one, and this nav bar is just making a sone pe suhaga, which we say in Hindi, it's making that. Okay, so now we can go further. Now as you can see, we will add, if you see this effect, if I go to readme and show you this effect when other things are tapped, this can be added very simply. Just come here and add text here, okay, and let's here text as home, and then same for all these. Let's do it, this is for like, maybe, then this for search, so text, search, then for settings also the same thing, you will do text, then settings, okay. Now R, then hot reload, yep, you can see this is created. See how awesome the basic model looks like. Now we are going to convert it into that, okay. So for now, if you see in this gnav, we have some properties also. You have a gap here, okay, we will add a gap of 8 here, okay, 8, sorry, just a second, okay, we'll add a gap of 8 here. Now there will be some gap between, yeah, you can see there's some gaps are there, like this, see how cool it looks, okay. So now we are going to design it much more further, then we'll take it to the next level, I guarantee. Now what you can do is you will give the background color to total black, okay. So background color, colors.black, that's it. Now nothing will be visible to you, everything will be black, Okay, so for that you are going to use color, then you are going to colors dot white. Okay, and the same thing. Now you can see, you are able to see, but the active tab is not been able to see. Active tabs are still black. Okay, see the active tab, whichever I click has been active and it's still black. So for that we are going to use active color, sorry, yes, active color, right? Yes, active color, that will give it colors dot white. Now it's going to work. Yeah, it has been done. We are pretty close. Now to add this rounding effect, we can do another thing. We are going to give like tab background color. Okay, so tab background color, this function. Now colors dot gray dot set 900. So you can see this. Now we are very close and it looks very pretty, right? So now we are going to add something more. Something is missing here. Okay, so for that what we are going to do, we are going to add padding over here. Okay, padding. Okay, padding, edge insert all, and then all will be, let's say 16. Let's see how does it look. It's all about experimenting and playing with the things which all are available here. Okay, so now you can see it's looking very small and pretty fine, but now let's see how we can improve it. Just a second. So we can wrap this gnav into a container. Okay, so now we are going to wrap this bottom navigation bar into a container. Okay, navigation bar, sorry, gnav. Now wrap into container. Container is there. Now again wrap this gnav with the padding. Okay, padding, yes. Now to make it more specific, let's see what happens now. To make it more specific, we are going to use symmetric. So we are very close. See how does it look like. We can make it symmetric, SYMETRIC, symmetric. Okay, now we will give special alignment, horizontal. This is going to be 15, let's say. Then vertical, it is going to be 20. Yeah, that's it. Now there is a simple step to do. We can come here and in the container we can add its color to colors dot black. That's it, and yep, our thing is created. That's it, how you can create it, guys. This is that simple. Okay, see how awesome it looks like. I hope you like today's video. This is very cool for beginners and it looks very awesome, right? And if you want, you can add another section here if you like. Okay, so you can copy this, copy, and you can add another. Let's say you can add here dot credit, maybe. Let's see how the icons look like. Okay, create, is there something, create to folder, pencil. Okay, this is credit card. Okay, card. Then you will have more 5s. Okay, you can see these are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are really great widget for your e-commerce website, for your chat apps or anything. It looks really awesome. Now if I show you in website view or desktop view, then also it is going to work very well, like this is going to be, but this effect will be very less, but rather in mobile view it looks very awesome. So I hope guys you like today's video, and if you like today's video then please subscribe and like to Abhicoder Creatives Mind. And we are very near to 4K guys, so let's make it. We can make it. I believe that you are my supporters and you will make it done. So I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Till then, take care and keep experimenting. Goodbye.